Okay, what we're gonna make today is a cucumber martini. It is a very refreshing drink. It almost tastes like you're drinking healthy. I guess if you was using non-alcohol, it would be healthy, but who drinks non-alcohol alcohol? I seen something in the store one day, so I know they make it. Anywho, this is a, like I said, this is a cucumber martini that you make with a fresh cucumber. I'm using an organic one. Why? Because this is what I bought. No particular reason. The end product of blending this with water is this really cool green cucumber water that's very flavorful. So first thing you do, is get you some ice in your shaker cup. Then you're going to mix 2 ounces of your cucumber water. Next, you want to use vodka. And the vodka that I'm using is AS Legacy 97 vodka. It is a veteran-owned vodka that I really enjoy. You can pick it up at some Total Wines, but it's a nice smooth vodka, or you can use whatever you choose, right? Next, we need 1 ounce of simple syrup. You can make your own simple syrup, use store simple syrup. Everything tastes better when you make it yourself, right? Next, I need 1 ounce of lemon juice. Got these behemoth of lemons. I should have thought this better, but we're going to get an ounce out of it. While that's sitting for a second, what you want to do next, and this is optional, I like my rim Tajin. So cut a little piece of lemon off, go along my rim. Tajin also make these nice and easy rim. All right. Next, get into the business end of the drink. So they're nice and tight. Give it a few shakes. It's the same filter I used earlier. There you have it. A really refreshing, especially in the summertime or on the beach, make it a mass quantity, cucumber martini. Put my finger out. That Tajin rim really set this off. Oh man, it's so good. You can make yours how you want to make it, right? With your vodka. I've never tried to make it with Effins cucumber, but I'm sure to add a little more cucumbery to it, right? Then there's Scoville. It's a vodka that is made with jalapenos. Another veteran-owned vodka. I know the guy personally. Gives it a nice kick to it, right? If you like spice like myself, this is a nice addition to make it with that. right? Or instead of just using regular simple syrup, what I've made here is a jalapeno simple syrup with fresh jalapenos, 1 part water, 1 part sugar. How many jalapenos I use? Maybe 1, 2, or 3, I don't remember. But anyway, the more you use, the spicier it be. But it's a good one also to use to make it with if you like spicy. Also, a good flavor would be this, it's a honey simple syrup, right? 1 part honey, 1 part water, boil it. You know how to make simple syrup. There's plenty of videos on how to make simple syrup. But this is a honey simple syrup. So it may be another really good flavor profile that goes with it that you may enjoy. So play with it. But the most important part is cucumber water. Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And a lot of things that I use are available via links at the bottom of the video. So we're going to Amazon and purchase them. Anyway, thank you very much for watching and enjoy.